Good morning, students. Today we have to start a new topic of this chapter, line graph. So open the book, page number 208. Our topic is line graphs. There is a graph representing on the basis of amount of petrol used and distance traveled in kilometer. So the first point is the table below shows the amount of petrol used when a car travels a certain distance. मीन्स एक कार ट्रेवल कर रही है अ पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस, तो उसको पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस में कितना अमाउंट ऑफ पेट्रोल यूज़ हो रहा है. मीन्स दैट इन 1 किलोमीटर, in 12 kilometer 1 liter petrol is used, and in 24 kilometer 2 liter of petrol is used. So this graph shows how much petrol used in different distance. So we make a graph, this line graph, and divide it into 12's multiple. In the multiple of 12, we divide it into certain part. That 12, then plus 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is amount of petrol used. So a line graph, it is shows that data changes over a period of time. Means when we use 2 liter of petrol, this is 24 distance travel. So it shows the change of quantities at regular intervals. Different intervals में different quantities use होती है. जैसे certain temperature में certain distance travel में different amount of petrol use हो रहा है. And the first point is the car traveled 2 kilometer on 2 liters of petrol. यहाँ पे डिफरेंट ये हमने मेज़र किया और फिर डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स हमारे सामने आए कि कब कैसा पेट्रोल यूज़ होता है. जैसे द कार ट्रेवल 24 किलोमीटर ऑन 2 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल, देन 5 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल, सो इट्स ऑन 60 किलोमीटर. देन 36 किलोमीटर पे 3 लीटर्स ऑफ पेट्रोल, दिस इज 3 लीटर्स ऑफ पेट्रोल यूज्ड इन 36 किलोमीटर. The last one is if the price of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 60, then if 1 liter of petrol is rupees 60, then 60 किलोमीटर पे कितना पेट्रोल होगा, कितने रुपीज़ का पेट्रोल यूज़ होगा. सो वी ऑलरेडी रीड इन यूनिटरी मेथड. इफ 1 liter petrol is of rupees 80, then here rupees 60, 5 liters of petrol is used. So 5 liters of petrol is rupees 80 multiply 5. So this is 500 and 5 8 जा 40. मीन्स रुपीज़ 400 का पेट्रोल कहाँ पे यूज़ होगा, 60 किलोमीटर. After this, the line graph below shows the different temperatures, means temperatures in Delhi which were recorded every 4 hours on a certain day. ये लाइन ग्राफ शो कर रहा है टेम्परेचर ऑफ दिल्ली, लेकिन 4 आवर्स मतलब एक दिन में जो 4 आवर्स हर 4 आवर्स के इंटरवल पे हमको रिकॉर्ड करना है टेम्परेचर. सो यहाँ पे भी हमने क्या किया, एक लाइन ग्राफ बनाया. अब टाइम कहाँ से शुरू होगा, 12 मिडनाइट से शुरू किया और नाइट में 8 मीन्स 8 PM तक हमने इसको रिकॉर्ड किया. तो ये जो वर्टिकल लाइन है, दिस वर्टिकल लाइन शोज टेम्परेचर एंड दिस टेम्परेचर इज ऑब्वियसली इन डिग्री सेल्सियस. देन दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन शोज डिफरेंट इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम, मीन्स 12 midnight, then 4 AM, 8 AM. This is every 4 hours interval. So 12 midnight, then 4 AM, 8 AM, 12 noon, 4 PM and 8 PM. Then there are different temperatures. Suppose this is in between 25 and 30. There are 4 marks, means this represent 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. means this line represent 29. So the temperature at 12 midnight is 29 degree Celsius. Then at 4 am the temperature is exact 25 degree Celsius. At 8 am the temperature is exact 30 degree Celsius. Okay, then at 12 noon the temperature is exact 35 degree Celsius. At 4 pm the temperature is little more than 30 but little less than 35. So we have to count this 31, 32, 33 means the temperature is at 4 pm is 32. Next is at 8 pm. So at 8 pm the temperature is 30 degree Celsius. This is exact 30 degree Celsius. So we have to solve some questions based on this line graph. First one is, at what time was the highest temperature recorded? Means इन सारे temperatures में highest temperature किस time पे record किया? So we can see that at this point we recorded highest temperature, means at this is the 35 degree Celsius. And what is the time? 12 noon. So at 12 noon we can see that in answers at 12 noon we recorded highest temperature. Next one is, at what time was the lowest temperature recorded? So we have to find the lowest temperature, and the lowest temperature we can see that this is the lowest temperature and this is 25 degrees Celsius. And at what time? At 4 am this is lowest. So we can see that at 4 am the lowest temperature was recorded. The next one is, what was the temperature at 8 pm? So we can see that in the line graph at 8 pm the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So we answer here the temperature at 8 pm is the temperature at 8 pm was 30 degrees Celsius. Then point D is, what was the difference in temperatures between 12 midnight and 12 noon? So again we see this graph, and at 12 midnight the temperature is 29 degrees Celsius and at 12 noon the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, and the difference of 35 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius is 6 degrees Celsius. So the difference in temperature between 12 midnight and 12 noon was 6 degrees Celsius. Then the next point E is, how much lower was the temperature at 4 am than 4 pm? Means 4 pm से कितना कम टेम्परेचर होगा कब? 4 am पर. So at 4 pm the temperature is 32 and at 4 am the temperature is 25. So the difference between 32 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius is 7 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at this is 7 degrees Celsius lower was the temperature at 4 am than at 4 pm. The next point is, at what times were the temperatures same? Means कब कौन सा टाइम है जब टेम्परेचर सेम है? So we can see that in the graph that these 2 points lies in the same line, means at 30 degrees Celsius. So we can say that at 8 am and at 8 pm the temperature was same. So next one is our exercise and we will discuss it in next class. Okay, thank you class.